With festive cheer in mind, I started with a plain wooden sheet and a splash of the brightest yellow. Once it was dry, the in-house engineer stepped in with his precise measurements. Wooden strips were cut into equal pieces and stained, then glued neatly onto the sheet to form perfect squares. Ever since I had spotted that wooden sheet, the idea to create this backdrop had been on my mind. Bit by bit, the plain board was transformed into a grid ready to be decorated. With the structure ready, it was time for detailing. I finally used my Patola print cardstock sheets. The idea of using scrapbook papers or any designer paper in this Jarokha shape also works the best instead of fabric. To fit the prints neatly, I used double-sided tape instead of glue. Working with paper instead of fabric was quite easy, and honestly, they look just as stunning. I decorated the Jarokha edges with tiny mirror tiles, giving them a traditional sparkle. Once these were ready, it was time to move on to the other part of the square. For the other half, I used 6x4 rectangular boxes that I had made earlier. This time, instead of staining them brown, I painted each one in vibrant colors, stenciled a different design, and finished them off with some stickers. When everything was ready, it was time to assemble. I carefully measured the exact center of each square and fixed the Jarokhas and boxes in place. And then came the best part, switching on the LED lights. The moment the lights glowed inside each square, the entire backdrop came alive. This project was truly a labor of love, and it makes a perfect festive backdrop, be it for Ganesh Chaturthi or Diwali. With its bright colors and handmade charm, it sets the festive tone wherever you place it. Until we meet again, doodles!